This hate group, Clan in the Air, are a conglomerate of commercial airmen and first responders. Various airlines have been attacking me, and their CEOs have received copies of these same videos which I am presenting to you. Only one company, one corporation, halted their pilots from doing this illegal activity. Jazz Air and Air Canada. My situation began with a program called Sneak and Peek. It's where police sneak into your residence while you're not home illegally. And during that time, they found ingredients for sex pills, which they began sampling and became obsessed with it. And so they began stopping me, stealing my receipts, claiming my vehicle was stolen. The recruitment of air provocateurs to mask their identity, since I had surveillance cameras on my vehicle, brought these extraordinary blasts upon me, which are invisible to the naked eye. Stalked from area to area, these airmen and other hate groups have been attacking me night and day. They've been firing radar into my residence covertly, waging war against me without anyone knowing. Delta, UPS, FedEx, there's a few other subsidiaries. The FAA claims that they are a small-time agency and that they don't monitor the skies, and that there are no police to monitor the skies, and that pilots don't get in trouble, which means anything goes in the air. These are aggravated assaults and burning at my legs, invading my privacy day and night with the attitude of catch me if you can. Insert. With heavy snowstorm overhead, I decided to take a nap. I awoke to several attackers. Observed the repetitive footprint of just two of these planes and how many times they attacked me. I have filed several complaints but need a throng of attorneys who can file claims and seize property. It doesn't matter what nationality they are. I also ask that the mayor and governor utilize surveillance and all other means available to them, especially for the individuals that have been posted up over my residence at night. And that the Attorney General sue the major corporations on my behalf. I also wish to show you the level of contamination, polluting in my residence, which is what you are seeing now. The radiation and ionized particles being spewed into my residence. I am exhausted from these continuous onslaught attacks, day and night, preventing me from any access to my bed. They have been touching down on me with these high-powered beams, firing at my ankles, constantly firing radar across my floor. keeping me contaminated electrical shocks, which are felony assaults with a deadly weapon. I would like to state that I have two hate groups, one day and one by night. The night crew are the orchestrators and those that originally started this. The second group are the commercial airmen who have been aiding and abetting.
This, swastikas and other images have been drawn in the air over my residence, spanning 2 and 3 blocks. The dot is my residence, but as you can see, it spanned large areas at 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning.
This is attack on the public. This is endangering the passengers. This is a harassment of individuals who they don't like on the ground.
Clearly, they don't like their jobs, for firing on citizens on the ground would be immediate termination. Here, through rooftop walls, are laser scanners and night tracking devices used covertly to taunt, sexually assault, and stalk specific targets. Identified by a public aviation radar app, which was suddenly removed from public access, presents an animated image to identify invisible radar. This harassment is done nearly 24 hours a day by various participating personnel. At this moment, I was being fired in the back while icing my back. Observe that a number of these are helicopter operators and their teams who have been continuously attacking me all through the night, staying over my residence while everyone's asleep. They're harassing and firing on me. Note, these are specialists at their trade, held to a higher standard, and who have been misusing their authority and governmental financing, and they should be held to the maximum penalty of the law. I'd like to thank those that have been helping behind the scenes, that have been waiting for me to obtain counsel. Stay tuned for much more.